I just quickly wanted to show a demo of the multi-agent system that I just built. So, right, it does three tasks. It can search, it can process the documents. I mean, it can read a particular PDF document, and you can ask questions about the document. Also, it can read emails and send appropriate responses according to the context you provide. So let's check it out. So, for example, if I want to know about something, I type, hey, for test, test, so, so it should give me the information by searching about this query of the internet, and gives me a summary, the news reports, yeah, okay, sites, and the potential ratio overall. So it gives me an overall idea very quickly from the search results. Okay, now if I ask it, uh, oh, I can ask, I can talk about the the search results. It remembers the context, right? So it's great. So it also, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, that sounds, I say it sounds great. It can have some good outcomes in the future of trees, says potential outcomes between. And yeah, it remembers what I asked it previously, and yeah, answers for it. So let's try some. Great. Okay, you read some of my emails, please? And when I asked this, it asked me, how many emails do you want to read? Say, for example, 5 emails. And it uses the Google Gmail API. And from that, uh, it fetches 5 emails from my Gmail. Yeah. Hmm. I see Quora, I see newsletters from Bill Gates, uh, from Monster, for some other person. Okay. So for example, I want to respond to this email. Uh, oh, it's coming from LinkedIn. Okay. So for example, oh yeah, let's respond to this one. Microsoft turns 50 today. So yeah, I want to, for example, respond to this email. I say, can you respond to email? It says, which email would you like to respond to? And I say 3, and it asks for the context spot. I say, congratulate soft deals and wish them best of luck. My name is mm, congratulate myself. Right? And let's see what happens now. When I do it, it sends a response and it generates an email and sends a response automatically. You don't have to type anything. And email sent to them. Now, let's check this out. Let's see what email did it send to Bill Gates. All right, let's put the send. See, just send an email, right? Okay, here you go. Congratulations, Microsoft 50th anniversary, dear Bill. I'd like to extend my warmest congratulations to you and the entire Microsoft team on this 50th anniversary. Yeah, it's working. Great. So now let's test another tool for document processing. Here, process documents. I can ask questions about it asks me for the directory that contains the PDF file. And I have one PDF file here, documents folder. So I just say, so I'm just giving it add the documents folder. Now we have to wait for a couple of minutes for it to vectorize the whole document so that it is actually creating a RAG, retrieval augmented generation process. So it could take some time, and let's wait for it, and I'll come back after this. So we're back, and looks like our agent has processed the document, and let's ask some questions to it. So, what does the talk about? Perfect. So let's see. It's giving me the idea of the document that talks about the document. So following pieces of context and stuff. So the document appears to be discussing the development and capabilities of vision language model of GPT-4, especially it talks about the model's architecture, training process. And so it gives me an idea of the document. And you can ask uh, more questions to it. And yeah, so let me show you the document. So let's, yeah, so it reads this whole piece and extract the text and basically it is about various vision language models. Mini GPT-4 is there and all that. So yeah, it is actually partially right when it's uh, giving me the context of the document. Says it's about mini GPT-4, but it's more than that actually. So, but anyways, you get the idea. It is extracting the PDF texts and vectorizes it like the RAG application, typical RAG application, and answers you some questions. So it is a chain of thought, if you will, that's covering under the hood. Yeah, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this. Oh, by the way, the email tooling is using these credentials of JSON that you get from your Gmail API. So you get that. So you get this file when you are trying to create an application on Gmail API using GCP. So that's about it. Uh, One thing I wanted to add is that this this uh, this agent is actually detecting my intent, that what I'm trying to do, and it works accordingly. So if I go to this agent code, yeah, so this is the intent detection. Search, process documents, read emails, send, respond to email, general chat, and in the tools, we have this three different tools. Uh, yeah, so it's actually working. It doesn't, you know, it doesn't work like that. You have to type any specific keyword for initiating any process. It actually is detecting your intent, what you're trying to do, and it works according to your request. So yeah, that's just what I wanted to show. Thanks.